Hi guys, welcome to another interesting episode of The Panigos. Today we'll be talking about half bread.
Is better than none.
So when I talk about half bread, what do I mean? Like half bread. I'm not talking about agege bread. I'm talking about it's better to have something in hand than for the hands to be bare. So I want us to talk about it. When we talk about half bread is better than none, you know, what can we relate it to? You know, in what regards and all that. So to educate and enlighten our viewers.
Okay, I think let me see it from this angle. A graduate, a student who just finished university, polytechnic or what have you, and has been job hunting for a while, and finally got a job. Say a job of 30,000 or 35 or 40,000 naira. Instead of the boy or the girl will take the job and engage himself and all of that, work friends and all of that, he goes still there for him papa and mama house. They complain, say, "I am don't you know I'm a graduate?" Go take the job. My what? I'm supposed to be earning 150, 200, 250,000 naira.
But you can't blame the person for saying, "Don't you know I'm a graduate?" A graduate deserves to earn up to that amount. So you can't blame the person for saying, "Don't you know I'm a graduate? I don't want to earn a job of 30,000."
Okay, so I know, yeah, he's supposed to be. So because of say he's been job hunting for a while, he left school 3 years ago or 4 years ago. Don't they find work? See, he can't finally sit down. So he's supposed to take down one first, have bread. It's better than none. Then he could just sit down for hours, wake in the morning, they analyze football and all of that. Take down until they go come out. Even from where they come out, you go still meet contact and all of that. Because of say the money is not enough. Not even enough. It's not what you feel say it's supposed to be 150 and above or 300. Go take I can't cack for house they look.
Okay, so you're saying that the person should accept a job of 30,000, pardon me, than being idle.
Sure, that's the thing. Half bread is better than none. Take that job. Then even for family, a man when get family, wife and children, you look and say, maybe he don't work for bank before then, we can't pursue for bank or back, something can happen for bank, and he was earning such a big amount, and that kind of thing happened. And the day house, you can't get a job, maybe a job of 50,000 naira. He said, go take and they help the family, wife and children. You could still they say, when I was in the bank.
You can't blame a man that wants to relive on his past now. Like it's not easy. It's not easy.
Yeah, but family need them, and you're supposed to take that one first. At the meantime, coordinate the family.
Sure, you want time. You say at one point in your life, you never look, say go collect any job with the lesson.
I don't look at, but all those things now lesson now for me.
Okay.
At a point in time, I see all those things. I look at some more, but some of them, if you bear me witness, I still take them. True or false?
I go think about that answer.
So as if you say you go take them from there, you come begin to pursue those other big things and say you don't just take anything at all. Just they wait for the man miracle.
Okay, we could even talk about people where we say handwork people. Some go say, this skill is now me, is now this. I want to be a mass communicator like me. My vision was to be a mass communicator. Be on TV, they look paper, they look up like this, they read news. But last, now hairdressing and makeup, nice. Because half bread is better than none. It wasn't like, I know go 50 or carry on, although I finally studied business administration, but you understand, Momsi was like, instead of you to just wait on mass com, jam never agree jam. Why just sit down for this shop. They do this thing. And from 2005, where I sit down with the matter till now, imagine the years of experience. And knowledge I've gathered.
You be master for the thing now.
And so I they train people and I they do my thing. So half bread is better than none.
Then if you look at it from this angle as well, you go see some people they don't finish university. Instead of they go learn handwork.
Oh, that one day too. They don't finish.
You don't finish the school. You never get something. You learn handwork. You learn
a skill. Economic and sound. You could learn fashion designing.
You could learn.
You could learn makeup artistry.
You can learn how to handle the camera.
You can learn body massage. There's so much to do. This topic is just to encourage somebody out there.
Yes.
A mother, a father, a youth, a brother, a sister.
Even a child self.
Well, children too are making money.
Yes.
Teenagers are making money. They're making money. They're doing something.
You don't want to get what you tell me about now when they draw, when they paint.
Lovely,
how old is that girl?
Lovely. I really don't know her age.
She's still a teenager now.
Yes, she's so young, and she's so young. I get interest to even buy a painting. And when I buy a painting, I go even talk about her for this channel to help her grow. She's so young, but you need to say what she they do. Exactly. Every time I come, they wish I even get interest in painting, you know. So really, half bread is better than none. Don't say you will just sit there, you won't do anything. You will just wake up in the morning, you wallow in your misery, you know, you feel depressed over. My friend, get out there. And also, this matter now. Some people now, how to take reach out.
Now be the PIB.
They don't know how they want to start.
You see, the thing is this. Some people go say, if you don't know somebody from one place, you know if you get it, my dear sister, see, move. If not job, you find. You don't find, continue to find them. In fact, what you go do, you even go to those companies directly. Go online. LinkedIn itself, they're useful. You go meet all those people them there online. If now you be IT person,
and then you where you be handwork person, where you feel say okay, they not fit pay you. You fit just go offer your services for even
bless you
for even free.
Free for a while.
Say you want do intern.
Yes.
What they call and you want learn more. When they don't see, say when you don't enter, they still see you fit do. You go there and may say they go even carry you. Say no, this person they very important. As in half bread.
And that thing we are going to end and put now. Make they grateful. Grateful and thankful to God. Because that little way you get where they complain, somebody somewhere in a prayer point do that.
No get that.
Say God, this 50,000 naira job in this person they reject. Make him see that handwork where your parents put you say make you go learn. When you just do and halfway you just forget that. Somebody look for the opportunity to because me I remember you know me start all these things today I dey here. I don't dey behind the camera for so long. Cameraman, do all of all those things, editing and direct and produce. You start from somewhere, but I remember that when I do that thing for my area. When I carry camera, some people there they say, "Kini go do she on television kiri." So that's but today I did grateful. Now the good thing I don't do about the period.
So before you go see, before we go round up, make we no get big guy too much.
Exactly.
Big guy say because you see on top internet.
See how guys a ball for Instagram.
Some of them. But some they even they ball really. But you know what? How they take get their money. Exactly. Then women with the envy say if your pikin no dey the highest school,
nothing go happen.
your trouble go there for your home. It doesn't make sense. You know, you need to be grateful. Exactly. And you need to plan with wetin you get. Yes. Half bread. People they will say they drink gutter water. If you go see some countries, they are going through hell. No matter how we even say Nigeria is bad and everything, but you know,
we are still grateful.
We are still grateful. We also have a mindset of gratefulness, an attitude of gratitude to be grateful, and every opportunity will come your way. No misuse and say, that small thank you when you tell that person.
Go a long way.
Long way.
What could live on for you?
What end up for you? Half bread is
better than none.
None.
Some other time. Bye.